Well, hello again. Hi, it's me. So I figured out a system, I think. Let me show it to you. So here's a picture. I think I may have shown you this already, maybe not. Yeah, I think I did earlier. Well, so here's a picture of the actual unit. You can see I've labeled those little pluggy things. Look at the top row. I called it TA, TB, TC, TD, and TE. And then the bottom, that's T is for top, A, B, C, D, E. And then, you know, the numbers for each one of those little switches, like the top left one would have been, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this bottom row, I started with B for bottom, and I went A, B, C, D, E, F. And of course, those numbers will correspond. Over here, I did an X and a Y. They're just bigger plugs and they're separated, and you see those color wires that I labeled. So then what I did is I made a log book. Here's the log book. I've never done anything like this before, but this just kind of made sense to me. So so you see that wire number 1 is the X wire, and the order of the wires that go into the plug is red and yellow, and wire number 2 is the Y wire, white, green, and black in order. And the third wire is the NEMA blue wire. That's the label of the wire, and all these wires are labeled now. And you can see the order. This wire was tricky because it has one wire going to TA3, that's the brown, the black goes to TA4, then the blue goes to BC3, and the white to BC4. So that was a little tricky one. And then the next wire was labeled, and then wire number 5, that was an easy one. They all go to TB1 through 5. So you get the idea of what's going on here. This is how far I've gotten. I've clipped off all of those wire ties, and I've traced where they go. I'm going to work on this next batch now. It's now 10:40, so I'm really taking my time with this. The real challenge is going to come how I'm going to open these up with a screwdriver. I haven't done that yet, to actually get these wires out of here. So that's the part I'm really nervous about, but we'll get there when we get there. So see you later.